What's up guys, I hope you all are doing very great, and I was not having any plans seriously to make a video today, but a couple of hours before OnePlus has launched their another new smartphone today, and that thing forced me to make a video. And here I am talking about the newly launched OnePlus 70 Pro. OnePlus 70 Pro, a very long name. Even I took some time to remember that is it the correct name. Not only that, the OnePlus 70 Pro has also a new McLaren edition, and by looking at these prices and the hurry at which the OnePlus is launching device by device, and in a very small amount of time all these devices are coming, I think it's time to take note that OnePlus is launching new phones. But why they are launching the smartphones at such a great pace, and they are not caring about the older devices, and they are also discontinuing the older devices too. So do watch this video as I am going to discuss this very important matter with you all. So let's roll the intro to get it started. But before we proceed further, you make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the bell icon. So OnePlus was having their OnePlus 70 series launch event today in London, and there they announced their new flagship killer, what they call as flagship killer, the OnePlus 70 Pro, the successor of the OnePlus 7 Pro, which was launched just 5 or 6 months before. Just imagine, 6 months before the OnePlus 7 Pro came, and it was having the full bezel-less display along with the pop-up selfie camera, and the main highlight of the device was that 90 Hz display, which OnePlus claimed is the smoothest display available in the market. Now after 6 months they are launching another same type of smartphone with almost same specs, with the same 90 Hz screen, same pop-up selfie camera concept, the same triple rear camera system, and the only difference is that they have launched a new McLaren edition which is having 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage, and it is around rupees 10,000 expensive in India and around $150 to $200 expensive in the other countries. So that's a totally stupid thing, because I can't understand what their marketing strategy is, because they are launching phone after phone, device after device, even after 4 months and 5 months. In 5 months the new generation is coming, so I can't understand what they are going to do and what they are trying to achieve by losing the interest and confidence of their consumers. Because the person who has purchased the OnePlus 7 Pro just 6 months before comes to know that their device is now outdated and it's not even available on the OnePlus website, so what will that consumer think? If I will be the OnePlus 7 Pro owner now, then I would definitely never ever purchase the OnePlus device in my life, because I will definitely feel cheated, because they have launched the same spec device, almost the same spec. The only difference is that they are using now the Snapdragon 855 Plus, or just there is a minor spec bump or software improvement. Otherwise there is nothing new, nothing special. The only thing special is the new back design on the camera in the McLaren edition, and I don't think that things will make any type of difference, because consumers don't want same type of devices. The consumers need new technologies and new innovations, and even if they have to launch 3 or 4 devices also in a year, they should at least keep a gap of 1 year in their device cycle, and they should hold at least one event in 1 year, and they can even launch 3 devices. Consumers don't have problem, but let's keep one certain time frame also. Don't just launch devices for the sake of customers or making profits or money. I know OnePlus is having a very good lineup of devices, but the speed which they are launching their device, it's just disgusting, and I really don't like it. And I also believe many people will also don't like it, because no one wants their device to be outdated in just 3 months time, or no one just wants their device to be discontinued in a time period of just 4 or 5 months. So I just want OnePlus to take this video as a feedback for them to improve, and they should also listen to other frustrated customers as well. And yeah, one thing I have to make it clear, that I don't have any type of hatred towards OnePlus. Even I myself had used OnePlus 2 for 3 years as my primary device, and I don't have any problem with it during the time of 3 years, and I really loved that device. So I just want to say through this video that make 2 or 3 devices and launch them in a proper time frame, or give your products a proper time cycle, so that the consumers will also love your products, and they don't also feel that after 3 or 4 months we are getting a new product, so I should wait, or they don't feel like they are cheated. That's what the main motive of the video is. I know OnePlus is doing a lot of innovation and they are investing a lot in their software and hardware department, but the launch timing period cycle is the main thing that's hurting them the most, and I think this thing will also spoil their customer base in the future also. So I hope OnePlus will take this thing as a positive note from my side, because I don't have any hatred for them, seriously guys. And what are your thoughts regarding this thing? You do tell me in the comment section below. I will love to hear them out. Rest, I hope you like this video, and I will be very curious to show you some other interesting tech videos as well in the future also. And as you also might know or not, that this weekend is the Thanksgiving weekend, so get ready for the Thanksgiving vlog also. And for now I will just say that if you like my channel and my videos, and if you want to see more in time, then do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon also to stay updated with me. For the time being, goodbye guys, and I will see you all in the next one.